Hey everyone, you're on a spontaneous trip, exploring a hidden gem. You stumble upon a local market filled with unique treasures. You find the perfect souvenir but realize you're low on cash. You're using a Monzo card, a popular digital bank known for its flexibility and convenience. But can you actually withdraw money from it? Let's dive in and find out. What is Monzo? Monzo is a UK-based digital bank that offers a variety of financial services, including current accounts, savings pots, and overdrafts. It's known for its user-friendly app and fee-free international spending. But can you use it for cash withdrawals? Can you withdraw money from Monzo? The short answer is yes, you can withdraw money from your Monzo account. In fact, it's quite simple. You can withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide, just like you would with a traditional bank card. How to withdraw money from Monzo? Find an ATM. Look for an ATM that displays the Visa or MasterCard logo, as Monzo cards are affiliated with these networks. Insert your Monzo card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Select Withdrawal. Choose the withdrawal option on the ATM screen. Enter the amount, specify the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Confirm, review the withdrawal details, and confirm your transaction. Fees and limits. While Monzo doesn't charge fees for cash withdrawals within the UK, there may be international withdrawal fees imposed by the ATM network or the foreign exchange provider. Additionally, there might be daily or monthly withdrawal limits set by Monzo. It's essential to check your account settings and the terms and conditions of your Monzo account for specific details. Tips for using Monzo abroad. Notify Monzo of your travels. Inform Monzo about your travel plans to avoid any potential security holds on your account. Check ATM fees. Be aware of potential fees charged by foreign ATMs. Some ATMs may charge a fixed fee or a percentage of the withdrawal amount. Consider using a fee-free ATM network. If you're traveling frequently, explore ATM networks that offer fee-free withdrawals for Monzo cardholders. Use your Monzo app for real-time updates. Monitor your account balance and transactions using the Monzo app to stay informed about your spending. Benefits of using Monzo for travel. Fee-free international spending. Avoid foreign transaction fees when using your Monzo card for purchases abroad. Real-time exchange rates. See the exact exchange rate applied to your transactions, ensuring transparency and fairness. Easy budgeting. Use the Monzo app to track your spending and set budgets for different categories. Convenient access to your funds. With Monzo, you can easily access your money from ATMs worldwide. Conclusion. So, can you withdraw money from Monzo? Absolutely. Whether you're traveling the world or simply need cash for a local purchase, Monzo offers a convenient and flexible solution. By understanding the process, fees, and tips, you can make the most of your Monzo card and enjoy hassle-free financial transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.